Here we have a beautiful Husqvarna 701 SM. This is a late 2020 70 plate bike with just over 2,000 miles on the clock. And as you can see, it's a real stunner. It's got some lovely graphic kit on it that really makes it pop, really makes it stand out. It comes set up for the pillions with the rear grab rails and the rear foot pegs. Not all of them come with those. These are an absolutely fantastic bike, tremendous fun. They really do put a smile on your face. I've personally owned one of these, so I can vouch for how good fun they are. Adjustable white power suspension, Brembo brakes, really good torquey engine. It's just a well looked after, good example. Of course, based off of the KTM, same performance that brand is known for, just with some slightly different styling. A few differences here and there, just subtle differences. As you can see, it really is in good all-round condition. That's why I do these videos, just to give you a good example of everything. As you can see, the tyres still plenty of life left in those. Chain and sprockets all good. Not being in an accident, nothing like that, as you can see. We have both keys with it. Had its first service carried out. We've been right through it again on arrival. Obviously, still too new to require an M.O.T. See the front of that engine there, it's never seen bad weather or been neglected. So as you can see, that is a decimal point, so it's just done 2,084.2 miles. So lovely low miles. Really is a great example. I know that generally you'll struggle to find better for cheaper. Part exchange is welcome. We offer finance and PCP deals along with nationwide delivery. If you require any more information at all, then please do feel free to get in touch.